Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. So the first step is to simply open your document, and then you're gonna have to simply click on insert, and then here what you're gonna have to do next is simply select page numbers. And as you can see here, so let me show you, you can pick any of these options. So if we zoom in, we can see how these page numbers will be, and if you want you can simply click on more options, and then basically here we can simply select the position, the numbering, and after we choose the option that we want, we're gonna have to simply click on apply, and basically we're gonna have here the page number as you can see in the top right corner. So basically that's all you have to do in order to add page numbers in Google Docs. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.